Hey guys, so I had a couple questions from you guys about how to check your answers for the extraneous solutions. So this is number 15 in your homework, and I just want to go through the process to make sure you're at least on the right steps. So step one is you should take your 2 and you swing it over to your k right here. You're going to get log base 4 of k squared equals 4. Since you have a log equal to a number, you rewrite it in exponential form. You take your base 4 and it becomes the base over here, and then your k squared stays how it is. K squared is going to be equal to 256 because that's what 4 to the 4th is. And then to get rid of your power of 2, you take the square root of both sides. Now remember, when you take the square root of something, you get both a positive and you get a negative answer. From here, you need to go through and check both answers work. So if I were to plug it back into the original, you get 2 log base 4 of 16 is equal to 4, and 2 log base 4 of negative 16 equal to 4. The reason why this answer over here does not work is that you cannot take the log of a negative number. This would give me a no solution, or technically it just wouldn't work out. The reason that this one works is because if you take your 2 and you bring it back over here, I'm going to run out of room. You get log base 4 of 16 squared is equal to 4. And then if I were to rewrite this, take your log base, and you would have 4 to the 4th is equal to 16 squared. You can see that you'd get 256 is equal to 256. So that's how you get your answer work on number 15. Okay, so same concept. If we were to look at number 2 really quick in your homework, you have log base 7 equal to base 7. Since you have a log equal to a log, your log bases can cancel. And we also have 4n minus 7 is equal to negative 3n. Since there's no squared term, you just need to get your variables on the same side. So when you subtract your 4n over, you get negative 7 equals negative 7n. When you solve, you get n is 1. Now when you go to plug this one back in to both of the pieces, 4 times 1 is 4 minus 7 gives you a negative 3. Yes, these are equal to each other, but once again, you cannot take the log of a negative number. This would not work. This would not work. That's how you get an answer of no solution on this one. And going back to number 15, negative 16 didn't work. So that's how you get 16 to be your only answer. Please let me know if you have any other questions. If not, enjoy the rest of your day.